Today's Bible verse comes from Isaiah chapter 7, verse 14, King James Version. Therefore the Lord himself shall give you a sign. Behold, a virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel. Isaiah 7:14 is a prophecy by Isaiah to King Ahaz, promising a sign. A young woman, Alma, will conceive and bear a son named Emmanuel, or God with us, signifying God's presence amidst Judah's strengths. Christians see this as a double fulfillment with an immediate sign for Ahaz, perhaps Isaiah's own son, and an ultimate fulfillment in the miraculous virgin birth of Jesus Christ, as recorded in Matthew. Here's a short explanation. Number 1. Context. King Ahaz fears enemies but refuses to ask God for a sign. Number 2. Prophecy. God offers a sign. A young woman will have a son, Emmanuel, God with us. Number 3. Immediate fulfillment. Before the child is old enough to know good from evil, the enemies threatening Ahaz will be gone, fulfilled by Isaiah's son, Maher-shalal, as H-Bas. And number 4, distant fulfillment, Christian view. This points to Jesus, born miraculously of the Virgin Mary, fulfilling the God with us promise, Matthew 1:22-23. Amen.